Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. When the topics in CCNA are completely new to you, videos are a great way to begin. They break down complex ideas into manageable chunks and keep you engaged. But once you have the basics down, reading is what really helps fill in the gaps. Books and articles let you dive deeper into topics at your own pace. The CCNA covers several key areas: network fundamentals, IP connectivity, security basics, automation, and programmability. Use multiple resources to prepare. There are many online courses, textbooks, and labs. Different perspectives can reinforce your understanding. We always recommend to go through the Cisco Press material at least once. They are lengthy but help to get rid of any knowledge gaps. Hands-on practice is important. Set up your own lab environment with physical hardware, or use emulators for practical experience in configuring and troubleshooting networks. It's also helpful to join study groups or forums where you can discuss concepts with other students. Being part of a community provides support and fresh insights that make tough subjects easier to grasp. Make sure you review what you have learned. There is a lot of material and it's easy to forget things. Lastly, try some timed practice exams so you get used to the test environment. This will help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam and identify any areas where you need more work. By following these strategies, starting with videos for new topics and diving deep with reading as you go, you'll be well prepared to pass the CCNA exam and move forward. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.